So for today's video, meron naghamon sakin ng isa V1 gas iron. At hindi naman ako marunong mag gas iron, try ko lang kung may palag ako. Panoorin nyo na lang hanggang dulo kung anong nangyari sa laro namin.
Reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed.
Duke Paxley? Boring. That's it! My tactics. Petty tricks!
At ito pinagtititihan niya pa ako. Sobrang yabang naman ang naghamon sakin.
Petty tricks! My words!
Slain an enemy. Wiped out.
Warming up for a bit of argy-bargy. Off with you!
Slain.
That's it! Watch my words!
Killing spree. Wiped out.
Foolishness can cost lives. Off with you!
Mega kill. Wiped out.
Petty tricks! On my word!
Unstoppable. Wiped out.
Hard. Off with you!
Monster kill. Wiped out. Turret.
Petty tricks! Sword, buddy. Off with you!
Slain an enemy. Wiped out.
Watch my words!
Slain an enemy. Wiped out. Slain.
Foolishness can cost lives. Off with you! On my word! You better watch out.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Fend off my daggers? Not!
Our turret.
You better watch out. Off with you! On my word! Watch my blade! Off with you! Let's get this over with.
At yun nakuha ko pang natalo kakatakbo niya. May skin pa, wala naman siyang galaw. Kaysa sakin walang skin, hindi pa expert.